For our institution, we've been on the same platform for almost 30 years now.
Well, we've been with the same ERP provider for our student system for over 30 years.
I've been working with systems for decades, and it would be great to use one that's not decades old.
We used whale oil lamps and papyrus. No, I mean, you know, it goes back for a long time for me.
I think if you look at the state of the market in general right now and the things that are affecting higher education, we knew there was a lot of new challenges ahead of us and a whole series of events that were happening in the ecosystem around higher education. And we wanted a partner that could help us to innovate on a pace that actually was responsive to those growing needs and changing demands.
And when presented with the opportunity to really completely redo things from scratch and participate in a design process, several of us got excited.
The thing that excites me the most is probably the opportunity to do something new, help create something from the ground up, with the ultimate goal of making students' lives better and making the college have a greater impact in the student's life.
The most important part of this system is the fact that it's designed from the ground up. So it's not layered on years and generations of older technology. This is a brand new system. So it's starting with a completely clean slate and designing a system based on best practices. You can't do better than that.
We can always learn, we can always share, and it's interesting to think that schools like Tallahassee, Yale, and others, we're sitting in the same room. We do basically the same things, but we do them differently. And so what's great about this is an opportunity to learn, oh, maybe we should consider doing that. We hadn't thought about that before.
And it's important for me to look at it from other points of view, from the community college aspect, from larger schools, smaller schools, all over the country, and to realize we have lots of things in common, but we do specific things differently, and we need to build the product that can handle everything that we throw at it.
And if we're smart, we'll take the very best of what all of us are doing, perhaps in some cases individually, and have that a model for the entire group, and therefore for all of higher education.